Hi guys, how are you? Are you fine? I hope so. Friends, today we have to find the remainder of 4 power 999 divided by 10. When 4 power 999 divided by 10, what should be the remainder? First of all, I want to solve some related examples. Okay? 4 power 892 when divided by 10, what should be the remainder? And 4 power 1235 when divided by 10, what should be the remainder? So when 4 power 892 divided by 10, this should be the remainder of the remainder will be 6. Here the remainder will be 6 and here the remainder will be 4. Isn't it easy? No, it is not easy, because you have to answer the given question, which is our question 4 power 999 divided by 10. You have to solve that question without solving on the paper or by the help of calculator. So how can you solve this in mind? Let's increase your mental maths. Rule: if there is a number having base 4 of even power divided by 10, always give the remainder 6. And the second rule is, if there is a number having base 4 of odd power divided by 10, always give the remainder 4. Now you can do the given question mentally. Clarity: I have some examples. 4 power 2 is equal to 16. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16. When 16 divided by 10 gives the remainder of what? 6. And the 4 power 2 is even, that's why the remainder is 6. 2 is even, here 2 is even, the remainder is 6. Okay, 4 power 3 is equal to 64. When divided by 10 gives the remainder 4, because the 3 is old. 4 power 4 is equal to 256. When divided by 10 gives remainder 6, because 4 is even. 4 power 5 is equal to 1024. When divided by 10 gives the remainder 4. 4 power 6 is equal to 4096. When divided by 10 gives the remainder of 6. Okay, now what is the remainder of 4 power 999 divided by 10? Of course 4, because you have a rule. Now if I am giving to you that 4 power 992, what should be the remainder? Of course 6. I have another example. 4123. Okay, 123. What should be the remainder? The power is out, then what should be the remainder? Of course 4. Okay friends, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel. I will come back soon, so please stay connected.